I have just lit up the stove, and this is my kindling fire. It took off really nice, very minimal smoke, and is burning so clean. That's that nice air wash on there. Even on a nice low burn, with small amount of wood in there, the glass is still burning really nice and clean. Definitely say that at the end of the burn, Guliver has cleaner glass than some of the other models on the market. You can see my firebox into my medium burn is taking off really nice. Here we have the stove burning hot. Look at how clean. Even still, you guys saw when I loaded this that some of it was kind of closer to the glass, and this might be some of the cleanest glass on these kind of cast iron stoves. The Magnum was a little dirtier, I would say, when I was finished. You can even see on the one next to it, there's kind of a residue left on the glass. You can see it to the left hand of the shot, and this Guliver is burning clean. I just want to show you guys what's left after burning the Guliver. This is after one burn. I would say this is a 1/4 inch thick, maybe, of fly ash. It's good to have up to 2 inches of ash left in the firebox to act as an insulating factor. And this is just gonna be burning wood with no kind of paper or anything in there. You can see the glass burned clean.
I hope that these videos are helpful for you guys. If you do enjoy my videos, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.